Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove saved places in Google Maps using the latest 2026 method. If you've saved a location that you no longer need, or you simply want to clean up your saved lists, this step-by-step guide will help you remove it in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your Windows PC or laptop and go to *Maps, Google.com*. Sign in to the Google account where your saved places are stored. If you're already logged in, you can continue to the next step. Once Google Maps loads, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Saved *. This section contains all of your saved locations and lists, including favorites **, want to go **, starred places **, travel plans **, and any custom lists you've created. Now open the list that contains the place you want to remove. Scroll through the list and find the saved location. Click on the place to open its information panel. In the information panel, you'll notice that the Save ** button is already highlighted because the location has been saved. Simply click the **Save ** button again. A list of your saved collections will appear. Uncheck the list where the place is currently saved, or click Saved * to remove it from that list. The changes are applied immediately, and the place will no longer appear in your saved locations. If the place was saved to multiple lists, you can remove it from each list individually by unchecking those lists as well. To make sure the location has been removed, return to the Saved * section and open the same list again. You should no longer see that place in the collection. Removing old or unnecessary saved places helps keep your Google Maps organized, making it easier to find the locations that matter most. You can always save the place again later if you ever need it. And that's it. That's how to remove saved places in Google Maps using the latest 2026 method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching.